Okay, so now we've got the background and we've got the header image that's in place. So it's now time to look at these two components of the website, which are rollover images or buttons, as they will be linked to external websites. So if we just go back to Dreamweaver, you can see here that this is the index page that we were just viewing in our internet browser, and obviously that's locked because that area is not editable, so we need to use the template to actually select these images. So for the first image, all we'll do is we'll have a look at these images that are already stored in our images folder, and we'll change those so that the rollover functions with the new images. So if we open up our images folder, we'll see that we have add one over and add one up. Those are the two images that you see for the first advert, and add two over and add two up. Those are the two images that you see for the second advert. The up and over are the states of the mouse. So this image is the image that you see when the mouse is rolled over the button, and this is the image that you see when the page loads and the mouse isn't rolled over the button. So for the first button, let's just right click it and edit that with our image editing application, Fireworks. Similarly to the header, this is just example text, so I can just delete that and also delete the background. So I've just got a blank canvas of size 110 by 110. So for this first advert, I'm going to create a link to the Formula 1 official website, and I've already got my images prepared here using an F1 image and some text that I just added. So I'm just going to copy these over, and then change the background so that it matches the image. So I've just put my content in for this image. I don't need to change the file name. I'll simply save that, go back to the images folder, and you'll see that that one's changed. So I now need to do the image that I'm going to use for the overstate. So again, I'll select everything and delete it. And again, I've already prepared this image. Just paste that in. You can see that this has got a rectangle on top, which has been reduced to 50% opacity, and the click here text, in addition to the other elements that were already there on the previous button. This will show a change in the button state when the mouse hovers over it. So one final thing on this image that we need to do, we just need to change the background to white, because at the moment it's transparent. And we can save it again there, and that's our two images ready to be added to Dreamweaver. So if we go back to Dreamweaver, we'll see that they already have been added because the HTML was already set to link to the file names that we've just saved. So you can see here that the image has been updated to show the first image that the user would see when the web page loads, and if we view this in our internet browser, we should be able to see the rollover function working. And there we go. When the mouse hovers over, the state changes.